Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. Sin 2x we change by 2sin x cosine x. Number 2 that is about 1 plus 1. So number 1 we can change by sin x square plus cosine x square. This one that is about identities. Next we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin x plus cosine x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine x minus sin x dx. This one we change by u. Cosine x minus sin x dx we change by du. So I will put number 2 on here. The integration of this one, we have arctan of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.